Alright guys, let me show you how exactly we identify our entry point near demand and supply or near support and resistance. Both are different things. So here, the clear uptrend. Have you seen? This is the clear uptrend. Price are creating higher high and a higher low. But here, this is called support and resistance. And another this is called demand and supply. Okay, this is called demand and supply. So it's called demand zone. When prices are running in an uptrend, this is called demand. When prices are running in a downside, we are looking for short near supply zone. So this is called breakout the structure. And finally, how we identify this entry point, Let me show you here. So first here you can see when price approaching this level, let me use this column. Okay, just a minute. This is very interesting because we explaining everything in our option premium group. This is called option buying strategy 2.0 version. Okay, so we explaining everything. So here I can see. So this is break out the structure and create a new high, and price are rejecting from this area. Okay. So another price are bouncing from this area. So next, this is called rejection from this SNR. You can say support and resistance. Okay. SNR, support and resistance. So sometimes what happens, price are rejecting from demand zone, and sometimes price rejecting from SNR. So how we identify when price going to reject, or we can say like when price going to bounce from support and resistance, or when price going to bounce from demand zone. Let me explain. So first we are using this is called rubber band man. So once price create a new high, rubber band man start running toward the downside. So let's see how rubber band man run near supporting line. It's a very fast, right? So when rubber band men are running like that, this is called a strong momentum towards the downside. So in that case, we are not looking for buy. How rubber band men are running? Rubber band men, if as I said earlier, rubber band men run like that. So after that, it will take rest. So we have to focus. We have to understand his energy. Is he going to tired or still he have energy? So after running too fast, do you think rubber band men are tired? No, rubber band men are not tired. So he's taking a rest. So after that, so after taking this rest, again rubber band men start running. So here you can see rubber band man break and previous record. So he break this previous record. So after that, rubber band man take a little bit rest, again retry to run, but just he break this previous lower point here, right? So after that, he take rest, entire rest. So like that, he take entire rest. So finally, again attempt, but fail to create a new low, and price run like a rocket. So here you can see after taking a little bit rest, and it will run like a rocket. So let me show you in a small time frame, so we'll understand. Okay. So in this area here you can see first he run, take a rest, again try to run but fail, again take a rest, almost 90% take to rest. So after that he just break this lower point previous record and take rest almost 100%. So after taking 100% rest, he try again but fail. So next he rest and he break this higher point and create a new higher high. So once they create a new higher high, we have to ready to enter toward which direction? Toward north side. Why? Because trend is running an uptrend, so we are looking for buy. Remember, so after giving a pullback, not able to create new low and form a pin bar. So that is our perfect entry point, and after that, price goes up to this level. All right. So after breaking this previous record, so here you can see previous higher point. So how price are rejecting from this area? Now we have two area. One is demand or supply zone. So next the demand zone will be here, this last point. So we are expecting price may pull back to this level or it will bounce from this area. So now here you can see next scenario. So after breaking this area, price pull back. Rubber bandman start running toward the downside again. So rubber bandman always run against the trend. All right. So here you can see trend is a clear uptrend. After running this area, he take a rest, almost 70% take a rest. So if you calculate this higher and pull back almost 70%. Again, he try to run, not able to create a new low and take a rest. So once they form this type of pattern, or you can say now rubber bandmen are tired. All right. So once they tired, we'll get ready to hit it again. Okay. So when we will hit, let me explain. Again, he tried to run but failed. Now you can see they create a new higher high. So once they create a new higher high, you just ready. So after giving a pullback and form a pin bar, so that is our entry point. Basically, we are using 1:3 ratio, profit ratio. Let me show you here. So in that case, and that was our 1:3 ratio. Okay, let me show you. This is my lower point and almost 151:3. Here our target. Okay. So basically, once they break this area, so I'll continue. All right. So next here we can see our entry point will be here, and our lower point near in this area, and our target is 1:3. All right. So perfectly hit this area. Okay. So let me show you another trading strategy against how we trade. Okay, just a minute here I can see. So now let me show you our demand and supply zone, and this is called breakout the structure. Price, you can see how price are respecting. Okay, another our demand and supply. So let me draw our another demand and supply. So this is our pin bar. Just a minute. And let me draw demand and supply. Why we are not interested to take position in this area, let me explain. So now you can see here. So price goes up and break this our structure and create a new high, and now rubber bandmen start running from this area toward the south. Okay, so against the trend. The trend is running an uptrend. Now rubber bandmen start running from this area. So now you can see when rubber bandmen start running, it's run too fast, even these are resistance line, now it's becoming a support. They are not respecting. Have you make sense? And break this resistance line, or you can say like now, right now, just supporting line, and run near demand zone. All right. So this is the demand zone. So once there is the demand zone, do you want to buy in this area? No, because these rubber bandman still, he is not tired. He's just starting running from this area toward the north. So that is why we are not looking for buy anymore in this area. After that, you try, or you can say like he take little bit rest, but not able to break this resistance line. Now it's becoming a resistance. There are no reason to buy. So again, retest this area, again try, not able to break this area. So why we are looking for short in this area? We know Robert Benman still not tired. He's just taking a rest and he's forming a range in this area. So that is why we are using supply zone. Let me show you in a small time frame, like 1 minute. Okay, perfect. I can see, sorry, when rubber band man start running from this area in a large time frame, that is our resistance line. Sorry, resistance line, and the price pull back again goes up, pull back goes up, but fail to this level. According to the price action method, they're getting some lower low, lower high, again pull back, but not able to break. So this is called range of this market. Robert Benman start running from this area, but still he have some energy. We must know that Robert Benman will continue toward the downside. So that is why we are using uh, some supply zone in this area. So where was the supply zone in a small time frame? So that was our rejection point. So that is our supply zone. Price was rejecting, and after creating this lower point, so we are using just a minute, long position, short position. Okay, in this candle, and we place just little bit here, and our target will be 1:3, somewhere there. So that is our entry point. So where we are expecting, let me show you here in a large time frame, like 15 minutes. So in a 15 minute, now you can see 15 minutes, that is our demand zone, right? That is our demand zone. It's a probability to pull back near the demand zone, all right? So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are interested in our option premium group 2.0, so you can WhatsApp me. I already given my WhatsApp number below this link. So thanks for giving your valuable time.